Today we are going to cover two very important things. First thing, how you can create a sitemap for your website. Sitemap is a way to keep your website organized for search engines. When they find your website, they can know what pages you have, what posts you have, and how they can index your website and your website pages in different search engines. Second thing we are going to cover is how you can submit your website to these search engines. Normally submit your website to Google by creating webmaster tools, but today we are not going to use that. We are going to do everything very simple in under a couple of minutes. So without wasting any of your time, I'm going to show you how you can create a very organized sitemap for your WordPress website and how you can let all the search engines know about your sitemap. Okay, so first of all, you need to log into WordPress dashboard, and then from left sidebar, hover on plugins and then click add new. Now from here, we'll search for XML sitemaps, and you'll find this first plugin which is called Google XML Sitemap. It has more than 2+ million active installation and almost 5-star rating. So click on install now. Once the plugin is installed, click activate. Now you can find this plugin under settings and the last option XML sitemap. Click on XML sitemap. Okay, you can see here the URL to your sitemap index file is, it will be your website domain name /sitemap.xml. And once you click here, you can see all the pages and posts exist on your website. This is a very new website, so I do not have any page posts on this website, but on your website you will see the posts and pages. And you can say Google was successfully notified about the changes, Bing was successfully notified about changes, because while I was creating this video, I was testing this plugin, I already submitted my sitemap to search engines. So what you can do, you will see this option, notify search engines about your sitemap. So once you click here, notify, you will see this message, ping was executed. This was so simple. How you create a sitemap, how you can notify all the search engines. In so many videos you see that you need to create a Google Search Console account to notify Google about your sitemap. But this is another way. This is the ping method where you do not need to create a Google Search Console account. So this was how you can create a sitemap very easily, and you can tell search engines that you create a website. Please index my website on your search results. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to upgrade your website game in the most easy way. I created so many videos that how you can create a website, how you can manage your website, and how you can make your website more faster and more secure. Thank you so much. See you in another video.